You can relight video footage in Capcut Mobile, free tutorial.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
Select your video footage or clip so it's highlighted. Down and scroll to the right. You see the option next to overlay and remove BG. In this case, we're going to click creative, or the third option. I'm going to click and create colored light. In this case, the second option. And now Capcut Mobile is applying the relight, or the feature, the effect. Wait for this to load. Basically, this is just going to change the color of your video clip or your footage so it looks a little bit different according to what we have. If you're happy and satisfied, click the checkmark icon on the right hand screen right here. The effect has been applied. This is currently what we have. So notice that the feature has been successfully applied. We have a flickering like so, or should I say this is the before, this is the after, completely for free.